Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and here on YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you could get featured in next week's video. Let's talk about the products. First one up, Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Cooling Hydration Scalp Mask. This one is the 2-ounce version of it, which is only $15. Then there is a 6-ounce, which goes from $34 all the way down to $25. Prices may vary depending on where you purchase it. Speaking of purchase, this can be purchased at briogeohair.com, of course Sephora/Kohl's, and Ulta/Target. Can also be purchased from Amazon. Briogeo does sell it as well themselves on Amazon, but Amazon also has other sellers selling Briogeo. So just look at the sold by and it should say Briogeo if you want to go with them. Expiration date of this is 18 months. It is vegan, cruelty free, and 98% naturally derived ingredients. Also, no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. It is an instant cooling scalp mask that detoxifies, nourishes, and soothes an itchy, irritated, flaky scalp. Clinically shown to increase scalp hydration by 2 times, apparently by a hydrating measurement instrumentation. It is great for a dry scalp, flaky scalp, or even an oily scalp. Basically, all hair types can use it. Pretty good. And even all textures. It is the perfect post-scalp scrub treatment. It helps nourish and calm the skin of your scalp. It should feel creamy and of course cooling, meaning minty fresh on your scalp. My man loves that. Me, not so much. Wow. Now this one is a twist cap. See? You twist it off. Goes like this. And then the other one is different. I'll show you later. So the smell of this, all I smell is mint, really, but yeah, that's what stands out to me. But they mention in their words, smells like whipped cream infused with fresh mint and a warm vanilla. Now I don't smell the vanilla, but it's supposed to be there. Yeah, all I smell is the mint. Mint is strong for me. This has Briogeo charcoal, which helps detoxify the hair and scalp from absorbing all of your impurities and buildup in the hair. Next, we're going to talk about the tea tree oil in it. It reduces the flakiness and soothes itchiness, while of course helping the healthy hair grow. Next is the peppermint and spearmint oils. That's what gives the cooling sensation, which stimulate and soothe the scalp. And it also has coconut oil that deeply moisturizes to help the balance of oil production. Now we do have some clinically studied results from an evaluation. Just one little thing. Just 89% less dry scalp flaking after 1 use. Not sure of how many people were studied on, but 89% is a pretty good number. Now after you shampoo, you go ahead, put this on the scalp, massage it in, then leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, you rinse and go ahead with your conditioner. Now, they highly suggest, and mentioned as a pro tip, they highly suggest you use an exfoliating shampoo, because it works best on a very freshly exfoliated scalp. And that would be all. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Okay, now let's move on. Next we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. The 2-ounce one is $15. Then there's an 8-ounce one that is $39. Then you can have a 32-ounce one. Now this one is a lot. It starts off from $124 and the lowest price I've seen is $105. Again, prices may vary. Can be purchased at briogeohair.com, Sephora/Kohl's, Ulta/Target, and possibly even Amazon. Again, check the seller. Some say Briogeo, some say somebody else. This expires around 18 months. This is 98% naturally derived ingredients. And of course, vegan and Leaping Bunny certified. Cruelty-free. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, and of course, no paraben. This is an iconic hair repair mask. Iconic, legendary hair repair. And scene. Okay. It is formulated to provide universal benefits for all hair types and hair textures, no matter where you are on your hair repair journey. Scientifically proven to strengthen damaged hair and help stop future breakage by infusing the strands with balance of protein and moisture. The mask works to repair from any current damage, from heat styling to hair coloring. And yes, of course, it is great for dry, brittle, damaged hair.
Yeah.
It strengthens the hair 2 times, just after 3 uses. And it decreases hair breakage only after 2 uses. Scientifically proven. It feels like velvety soft cream. And apparently it is a 6-time winner, Hall of Fame winner, by a Lore Reader's Choice Award. Interesting. For, of course, best conditioner.
You don't say. You don't say. You don't say.
Now the ingredients of this. Oh my. Ooh-wee. Before I forget. The top of this flips.
Wow.
Like this. And then, I don't know why, but for me, I have to be very, very careful. It explodes everywhere. The slightest little squeeze, it's just like... So, be careful. It is also a very hot temperature in my house, so I think that doesn't help with the squeezing. Everything gets warm here. Both of the masks are pretty light. This one I feel is slightly thicker. It's supposed to smell like clean soap, white musk, and floral woods. To me, I think it smells like pancake syrup.
What?
Yeah. It is pretty musky though. I think men would really, really love these soaps, even though it's advertised for women. But the scents are usually the ones that are in men's soaps. Men's shampoos and conditioner. So, yeah, if you want a gift for your man, this would be pretty good. What's in this bad boy? Rosehip oil gives essential fatty acids, which is crucial to hair hydration, maintaining it and controlling the frizz. Also has algae extracts, which have antioxidants, minerals, amino acids, and vitamins to nourish and strengthen hair. And of course, protect the scalp from free radical damage. Almond oil gives extensive conditioning to combat dryness and diminish frizz. And last, biotin. That enhances the shine. Even enhances the luster and moisture of weak or dry hair. Now this one, after you shampoo it, you want to use this one once a week in place of your conditioner. So don't use conditioner at all. Choose this instead. Just once a week. Okay, we got it? Okay, good. After you shampoo, you want to go ahead, use it from the scalp all the way to the tip. Massage throughout your entire hair. Make sure you have an even application. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse.
Very good.
Now this is also something they recommend, but you don't have to. You can leave it on for 30 minutes. Put one of those plastic caps with your hair all up in it. So get your hair. I got the product in my hair, okay you guys? Product in my hair. Pin it up if you need to. If you got short hair, then never mind. Just make sure it's all in that plastic cap. And then you sit under a hair dryer. And sit there for 30 minutes. After that, you go ahead and rinse. It's a lot of work, but if you like to kill time, read a book, watch watch a show. Yeah, and you're helping your hair out, and that will be it. Okay, we're going to move on to the results of your voting. Oh, I'm actually going to leave my hair up because it is hot. Yes, okay. Oh. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go with the results. Woo-hoo. Okay, TikTok. TikTok results. Yeah. We're going to do this one real fast. Here we go. Into the TikTok and boom! Woohoo! 50-50! Oh, I can't believe it. It's 50-50. Of course it is. It's both Briogeo. Of course you would be both 50-50. Okay, straight into the YouTube. Oh yeah. Okay, YouTube. Here we go. Woo! YouTube. Huh. And YouTube results. You guys voted for. Woo! Do-do-do-do-do. Boom! YouTube. Also 50-50. It's also 50-50. What? Congratulations to the both of you. Briogeo products. Wow. Yep, you guys voted. And you voted basically saying that you like both of them. No winners here. We both like these guys. Both Briogeo products. Both doing different things. But at the same time, both are well loved. Yes. Okay. Well, let me know in the comments below if you guys could break this tiebreaker. Which one is your favorite? If you use them or if you not. Share your thoughts and feelings about this. Are you kind of upset that they ended up, both of them, both on TikTok and YouTube, ended up being 50-50? Or do you think, yeah, that sounds about right? Let me know. Comment below. Okay. Well, that is all. Thank you guys for joining me. Mwah, you guys have a splendid hot summer. And I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving that makeup and keep on rocking. Okay, bye.